You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where?
Out of my car now.
Where is my
Out
destination?
of my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I
Pulled into your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
736.
out of my car now.
Sir, it said
Get out of my car now.
why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
One.
Do it. Do it. Do it. You are facing
Get out right fucking now.
You are facing
Get out of my car. I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out now.
You're facing me. You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital. Where